Hello, this is Jammal Baba. Today is September 22nd, year 2023. Let's go on an educational journey of translating a Yoruba talking drum. In this lesson, I'm picking a great artist, Yusuf Olatunji, and his Sakura band, and the lead drummer is Sani. The album I pick is volume 6, side B. Is Orin Itoko. Itoko is an area in Abeokuta area in Ogun State in Nigeria, the southwestern Nigeria part. And it goes like this. Bí ẹdìyẹ ìbá lọ́kọ́ ìbá fàgìtàn ṣe kan. Àgbèrè ńlá lẹ gbé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bú bàbá lékè. Àgbèrè ńlá lẹ gbé. Individual that called the elder or the patriarch a gossiper or a whisperer. That individual have overreached is bound because he is clueless. He probably have no idea why the elders says or said what they claim he said. But to go and say, oh, the patriarch is a gossiper, you've gone beyond your reach. It's a taboo, it's a no-no. Check this out. Listen to the lyrics and listen to the drum. Gbogbo ilé tó bẹ ní Itoko tàjàdí ìmọ̀ràn náà ní. Gbogbo ire tó ń bẹ ní Itoko tàjàdí ìmọ̀ràn náà máa ní. It's paralleling with the lyrics. The lyric says, ire gbogbo tó ń bẹ ní Itoko belongs to you guys. And the drummer comes in and says, gbogbo ire tó ń bẹ ní Itoko tàjàdí múra náà máa ní. Tàjàdí ire tó ń bẹ ní Itoko máa ní. Àjàdí ọmọ Balógun, Síkírù yọmí, Àjàdí yọmí, àbọ̀wọ́ gbọ̀gbọ̀gbọ̀rọ̀ tí ń yọ ọmọ rẹ̀ lọ́fìn yọmí. Àbọ̀wọ́ gbọ̀gbọ̀rọ̀ tó ń yọ ọmọ ẹ̀ nínú ọ̀fìn. What is ọ̀fìn? Ọ̀fìn is not only a pit hole they dug in the ground and cover it up with a little bit disguise for the animal to fall into. It's kind of like a trap. But then they flip it. When an individual gets into a big mess, a big trouble, they're in a pit. But it's in this individual, he has a long hand that can reach into a pit to pull his offspring out of the ditch. Àbọ̀wọ́ gbọ̀gbọ̀rọ̀ tí ń yọ ọmọ rẹ̀ lọ́fìn. Yọmí, Síkírù yọmí, Àjàdí yọmí. Yọmí, Àjàdí yọmí. Àjàgà jíkì, àjàgà, àjàgà. Ajaga, Ajadi. Ajadi is the oriki of Sikiru. Sikiru, Ajadi, Muraina. Ajaga, Ajadi, Ajagajigi. Ajaga. What is Ajaga? Ajaga is a wooden yoke that Yoruba used to put on the neck of their livestock so that they don't stray away too far into the farm. So it's a way of keeping them within range. So they can't get out. They can't navigate because they have that big wooden yoke on their neck. Then what is Ajagajigi? Ajagajigi is something that is big. Big object. Big object. It could be big tree, it could be big rock, it could be big, massive, something massive. Ajadi, Ajagajigi. Ajaga. So you're saying this guy's personality is big. It's big beyond, pretty much within the community is a huge individual. Ọlọ́run ọba kò ṣeé sú, kò ṣeé sú, Ọlọ́run ọba kò ṣeé sú, kò ṣeé sú, Ọlọ́run ọba kò ṣeé sú. God has so much patience that you can't provoke God the way you provoke fellow human being, or God doesn't get tired of human being the way we human beings get tired of each other quickly. Kò ṣeé sú, Ọlọ́run ọba kò ṣeé sú, kò ṣeé sú. Sometimes they will say, Ọlọ́run ọba la kì í sú, Ọlọ́run ọba la kì í sú. But here, kò ṣeé sú, Ọlọ́run ọba kò ṣeé sú, kò ṣeé sú, Ọlọ́run ọba kò ṣeé sú. Ọlọ́run ọba kò ṣeé sú. So here, kíkéré lábẹ́rẹ́ kéré, àjànàkú ló lọ dàn. Sometimes they will say, kíkéré lábẹ́rẹ́ kéré, àjànàkú ló là lọ. Àlọ́ is the mystical home of elephants. Kíkéré lábẹ́rẹ́ kéré, àjànàkú ló là lọ. Kíkéré lábẹ́rẹ́ kéré. Meaning, the needle is small, but it still does wonder. It commands a lot of respect and a lot of power. Kíkéré lábẹ́rẹ́ kéré, àjànàkú ló là lọ. Kíkéré lábẹ́rẹ́ kéré, àjànàkú ló lọ dàn. Ìbádàrájà, kágara má dá, agara ò ṣeé pa, agara. Agara is fatigue. No one can compete against fatigue and win. When fatigue set in, you can't do much. You either have to fall asleep to recharge your battery and your energy, or you pretty much have to call time out. You can't win fatigue. Agara ò ṣeé. So when they call an individual agara, that means that guy is someone you won't win if you go head to head with it. I'm suspecting this drum was influenced by Kasumu being the lead drummer, being in Lagos Island in the 1930s. And during that era, they have Agara, who was Oloye Ashogbon, who was a strong individual personality. You don't go head to head against Ashogbon and win. So Agara ò ṣeé pa. So in the Lagos Island, they beat that a lot out. They say that line a lot. Agara ò ṣeé pa. Ẹnìkan ìbá agara jà kágara má dá. Agara ò ṣeé pa. Here we go. Ajadi ajaga, ajadi ajagaji, ajadi ajagaji, ajadi ajagajiki, ajaga bẹ alimuntu. Ọlọ́run tún bẹ ọ̀run rere. Ikú ń bẹ alimuntu, bọ̀ Ọlọ́run náà tún bẹ. Ire ni kò ní rọ ẹni bá máa lágbẹ̀dẹ lójúkójú. Notice here, insert extra beat into it. So you go, ire ni kò ní rọ, or irin ni kò ní rọ, but in this case, ẹni bá máa lágbẹ̀dẹ, instead to say, just say ẹni bá máa lágbẹ̀dẹ lójú. No, he say ẹni bá máa lágbẹ̀dẹ lójúkójú. Irin ni kò ní rọ. So you have to listen for what if it's adding notes or it's subtracting notes. Bọ́rọ̀ bá sọnù, òwe ni ó rí. So Yoruba is social. They're very social. Culturally, they're very, very social. And then when they're interacting with each other and they're short of words, they tend to use proverb to deliver their message. So that drum beat was saying, Tọ́rọ̀ bá sọnù, òwe ni ó rí. Bọ́rọ̀ bá sọnù, òwe ni ó rí. Ọ̀rẹ́ ni yóò rí. Bọ́rọ̀ bá sọnù, òwe ni yóò rí. Ó gbìngbìn, ó gbìngbìn, ó gbólé èṣù bá dá dá dá. Owó lé èṣù dá. Àfẹni tí kọgí lákọlù ló lè kọ lèṣù, ló lè kọlu Ṣàngó. Àfẹni tí Ṣàngó pa. Lé èṣù dá. Séríkí, 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 òtítì fara ti bọ́n. Séríkí, 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 òtítì fara ti bọ́n. Séríkí, meaning he's ever ready. So you can't really go try and sneak up on him. Òtítì fara ti bọ́n. So when he's sitting, he has a gun right next to him. But not as the gun is just symbol. Meaning it's very resourceful. You can't sneak up on him. He's not someone you could try and take on sneakily. Séríkí, òtítì fara ti bọ́n. Séríkí. Séríkí, òtítì fara ti bọ́n. Séríkí. Ó gbìrìgbìrì, ó gbìrìgbìrì, ó wọlé èṣù bá. Ìwọ lọlọ́run fún. Ẹnìkan tọrọ, Ọlọ́run ò fún. Ìwọ lọlọ́run fún. Ìwọ lọlọ́run fún. Ẹnìkan tọrọ, Ọlọ́run ò fún. Ìwọ lọlọ́run fún. Ìwọ la rí bá wí. Ìwọ tó gbàyà tó fẹ́ tó ò gbàyà tóbi. Ìwọ la rí bá wí. Ìwọ la rí bá wí. Ìwọ tó gbàyà tó fẹ́ tó gbàyà tóbi. Ìwọ la rí bá wí. Meaning, it's your fault. You cut him a slack. If you have gone all the way and not cut him a slack, he will have been respecting you fully or be scared of you or terrified of you. But if you call him, it's like you've emboldened him. Ìwọ la rí bá wí. You're the one that emboldened him. Ìwọ la rí bá wí. Ìwọ tó gbàyà tó fẹ́, tó gbàyà tó bí. Ìwọ la rí bá wí. They're just using that in the word. It doesn't literally mean that. But it could be. Who knows? But it's just saying, when you in a real competition with someone, you gotta let them know clearly. You don't want to encourage them, to embolden them to keep coming at you. You gotta clamp down hard, and then that's send the message like, no, don't mess with me. So when the lyrics was going, the drummer kept saying, be. When the first saying, I'll pull it back a little bit for you guys to hear. That's Castle for you. Tani lè padà ohun tọ́lọ́hun ti ṣe, tani lè padà. Àwọn dànù béèrà bá fi ní pé àwọn dànù. If an ant climb on you, crawl on you, respectfully, just flick him off. Àwọn dànù. Àlówó lódù, Adéyẹmí, àlówó lódù. So, when the Yorubas are singing and they able to be aware of someone's lineage through their last name, then they will be the corresponding talking drum that goes with the lineage. So a lot of people that have the last name Adeyemi, then they will beat the talking drum beat that is beat for the king of Oyo, which is a Yoruba, predominantly Yoruba ancestral town. The king of Oyo, Aláàfin Adeyemi, their nickname is Alówólódù. Alówólódù bí ère. So they will beat the drum. Adeyemi, Alówólódù. Alówólódù. Adeyemi, Alówólódù. Ìbàdàn nílé, a kì í bá ní ìrìn ká má mọ̀lé ẹni. Ìbàdàn nílé. Ìbàdàn nílé. A kì í nídìí ìyá ká má ní ti bàbá. Ìbàdàn nílé. Ìbàdàn nílé. You from Ibadan is your ancestral home. A kì í bá ní rìn ká má mọ̀lé ẹni. You cannot claim to be close to an individual and not know his ancestral. Oh, where's Jammal from? He's from Nigeria, but he's my real good friend. I know him real well. But from Nigeria, but where is he from? From Nigeria. Actually, I'm not sure. Then you don't know him. So you cannot be close friends of an individual and not know their ancestral home. Then he came back with the second line. Every individual has maternal and paternal lineage. Whether you are aware of it or not is a different topic. But everybody has maternal line, the X chromosomes, and paternal line, the Y chromosomes. So Ibadan nile, his ancestral home is from Ibadan. That individual is singing about now in this track, Adeyemi. Ibadan nile. Bámúbámú ni mo yó, mi ò mọ̀ bébí ń pọ̀ ọmọ ẹlòmíì o. Bámúbámú ni mo yó, n'Íbàdàn la wà, tí a ti ń fowó jayé. Sometimes they say n'Íbàdàn la wà, tí a ti ń fi ewúrẹ́ jiyàn. Afẹ̀dọ̀ṣá kò jẹ́ ikú, kò jẹ́ gun, kò jẹ́ rán afẹ̀dọ̀ṣá. Ire gbogbo pàdé mi lọ́nà ó di gbẹ̀kí. Àmín, 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 àmín rẹpẹtẹ, àmín rẹpẹtẹ, àmín rẹpẹtẹ, àmín. Àlùbáríkà ní tọ́jú ìyá o. Ìbàdàn nílé, Ìbàdàn nílé. Kì í bá nírìn ká má mọ̀lé ẹni. Ìbàdàn nílé. Alówó lódù, lódù, alówó lódù. Adéyẹmí, Adéyẹmí, alówó lódù. Lódù, alówó lódù. Adéyẹmí, Adéyẹmí, alówó lódù. Lódù. Now it's moved to another track. Society of Egba. Ewúrẹ́ panijẹ má kú, panijẹ àgùntàn panijẹ má kú, panijẹ. Àgùrò, àgùrò, bọ́gùn bọ̀. Bọ́gùn bọ̀lú, àgùrò, àgùrò, bọ́gùn bọ̀. Ó bọ́gùn ó tún bọ̀lú. Pàmùpàmù, 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 jìgì pàmùpàmù, jìgì jìgì pàmùpàmù. So there's another influence. You could tell Kasumu picked up a lot of Lagos Island drums, beats, and lingos. Pamu pamu, jigi jigi, pamu pamu, jigi jigi. was the Monokai, a nickname for Kosoko, Ọba Kosoko, Ọba Lereko, Pamu Pamu, Jigi Jigi, Pamu Pamu, Jigi Jigi, Pamu Pamu, Jigi Jigi, Pamu Pamu, Jigi Jigi, Pamu Pamu, meaning some tough dude. Ògbórí èèyàn kalẹ̀ lóye. Ó fẹ́ bara ẹ̀ lẹ́nu jẹ́, ajá tó gbé gungun àjànàkú. Ó fẹ́ bara ẹ̀ lẹ́nu jẹ́, lérìgbé ẹ̀kẹrin, lérìgbé ẹ̀kẹrin, lérìgbé ẹ̀kẹrin, lérìgbé ẹ̀kẹrin. Àgbà society ẹgbà o. Now it goes to another track. Àkàngbẹ́ àfọwọ́mù tí kì í kú sóde, gìràgìrà ń wò délé mi. Mutímutí kì í kú sóde, gìràgìrà ń wò délé mi. And sometimes they'll say, Afowomuti ki kusode gira no dele. A drunkard, they go to the pub, get drunk, but somehow, he will still find his way home. Even though his judgment is impaired, but he will still staggerly, he will still find his way home. Afowomuti or muti kì í kú sóde, dugbẹdugbẹ or kirakita n ó délé mi. Ọmọ Ṣùkúládé tá ń nílùú, bàbá tá ń nílùú, Bùbádé tá ń nílùú, bàbá tá ń nílùú. Who owns the drums? Ensemble tá ń nílùú. Abisi fada, àgbà, abisi fada, bàbá tá ń nílùú. Ẹ̀yin kàdé ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni ìlú, ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni ṣàwòrò tá ń nílùú. Kàdé ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni ìlú, ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni ṣàwòrò tá ń nílùú. Bàbá tá ń nílùú. Kàdé àgbà, abisi fada, àgbà, abisi fada, àgbà, abisi fada, kàdé àgbà, abisi fada. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni báwòrò tá ń nílùú. So when Yoruba is playing, and they say Tanilu, ba Tanilu. That means the lineage of the person they're singing about belong to the drummer's family. That individual ancestors were drummers. So who owns the drum? Tanilu, ba Tanilu. Whose father owns the drum? Meaning who owns the occupation? It is you guys that were the expert of drumming. Tanilu, ba Tanilu. Gbẹdogbẹdo kan, iya-ilu kan, ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni ìlú, ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni ṣàwòrò Tanilu, ba Tanilu. So he's mentioning all the drum ensemble. Ṣàwòrò, iya-ilu, gbẹdogbẹdo, we just use for percussion. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni ìlú, ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni ṣàwòrò, ba Tanilu. Gbẹdogbẹdo Fada. Abisi Fada. Àkàndé Abisi Fada. Àyànláde kan. Gbẹdogbẹdo kan. Ìyá-ìlú kan. Tí ó ní ìrọ̀rùn. Gbẹdo. Ẹ̀yin lẹni ṣàwòrò. Dání. So when you hear him, that means the light in the studio telling them, you guys time is almost out. So he's telling the rest of the band, we need to wrap it up. So that's volume 6B. Leave comments, and then I'll check your comments out. You might nudge me to do another materials in the future, but leave comments. Let me hear your feedback, and then I might use that to roll with it. All right, you guys stay blessed. Don't forget, we gotta be good to humanity. Do good, and you'll feel real good. All right, you guys stay blessed. Hold on to your cultural heritage. Yoruba is a beautiful culture. Hold on to it, please. Ọlọ́run á dúró ti gbogbo wa.